Okay, I'm going to show you how to get the link for the Kahoot and paste it onto your worksheet. So once you're finished creating your Kahoot, from your dashboard, when you're signed in, if you go to Kahoots at the top, it's going to show all of the Kahoots that you have created. So if this is the one that you want to share, you're just going to go all the way over to the right. There's 3 little dots. You'll click on those dots, click the share button. This will give you a link. Okay, so this link right here, you want to copy it. Then when you go to your worksheet and turn your editing on, you'll be able to paste the link. I already have one in here, but you'll be able to paste it in here. So hold down the control button, push V, and it'll paste your link in there. And then when you're finished, you always click the turn in button for your assignments.